So can you use iMessage on the iPad without the iPhone? Let's get started and explain this. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and explanations like this one. Okay, so the short answer is yes, you can use it. And let me show you how it actually works. Because when you go to the settings and tap on the apps at the bottom, and from the list, you of course go to the messages right there, you'll be able to notice that we have a section for send and receive. So naturally we have the iMessage toggle. It needs to be enabled for the feature to work. But below we have like the send and receive, and it's like a place to choose how you're going to send your messages. So on the iPhone, usually we have either the phone number or more phone numbers or the email. But on the iPad, you can see I have only set up my email, which is the Apple account, like the Apple ID. You can see the iCloud email, and that one is used to, send messages through iMessage. So this just means that I have the feature working, and if I wanted to send somebody else who also uses iMessage, a text, then they would see just that email, just texting them, right? So it's not like a phone number sending it through iMessage, but I've used my email address to sign up for that service. So I hope it all makes sense. Like the short answer is, of course, that it works, but as you can see, this is how, right? So we sort of log in with an email address instead of the phone number. So let me know if you managed to make it work, or in case of any questions, leave them below in the comments. But I'm going to wrap up the video. Make sure you stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in those tutorials.